What is up, everybody? My name is Justin from Party Rental Knowledge. If you don't know, I teach tips and tricks in the party rental industry. Today's video, I'm just going to start going through the Facebook group. Interested in hearing what you all are charging for your tables and chairs, if your prices include setup and delivery. If not, what are those fees? I know it varies by location. So I answered this question too in the group. And what I wrote is $15 a table, $3 a chair for tan, $4 for white, $5 for white padded. Delivery is priced by mile, about $2 a mile, and $2 to set up and take down tables, $1 for setup and take down of chairs. We only deliver to a front yard or a backyard close by. Any stairs, any stairs or long distances or elevators get a fee as well. Some people are saying that they charge $10 a chair, 6 foot, or I think you meant $10 a table here. $10 a table, 6 foot plastic, $3 a chair, $1 per item set up. Delivery is free between 10 miles, $4 a mile after that. Interesting. My buddy Adam Opper, he's great in the group. He's got some interesting information. He goes $18 for a 6 foot table, $3.50 for a chair, $6 for white padded, $4 an item to set up, and then $3.50 an item to take down. Then his delivery fee is 10% of the order or $2 a mile, whatever is greater. $250 a weekend delivery fee on top of a regular delivery fee. $250 a weekend removal fee on top of the regular removal fee. So basically, in this day of age, you should only charge you should charge at least more than $10 a table, and you should charge more than $2 a chair at the very minimum. Like, if you don't, I feel like you're cheaping out on yourself. When you get higher than that, it's been pretty much said that bounce house companies can rent out tables and chairs for more money than another company. Bounce house companies can rent out tables and chairs for more money than a tent company. They can rent out different machines for more money than other companies. They make more money because it's perceived value and it's a luxury item for that company. You don't necessarily have to have those, but the fact that you do makes it more valuable, and then they can spend the extra price. At the end of the day, they don't have to go through two companies by going through you. It's a luxury item. Raise your prices. Like and subscribe.